How do constitutional principles affect equal treatment under the law? In recent discussions about justice and equality, a key question has emerged. How do constitutional principles affect equal treatment under the law? This topic is especially relevant as communities across the United States continue to address issues of discrimination and fairness in the legal system. With ongoing debates about civil rights and recent court rulings, understanding the role of constitutional principles is essential. At the heart of this issue are the Due Process Clause and the Equal Protection Clause of the United States Constitution. These principles form the foundation for ensuring that all individuals receive equal treatment under the law. The Equal Protection Clause, found in the 14th Amendment, specifically states that no state shall deny any person within its jurisdiction equal protection of the laws. This means that laws and government actions must not discriminate against individuals based on characteristics like race or gender. In practice, this clause requires that courts closely examine laws and government actions to prevent unjust discrimination. The judicial branch applies different levels of scrutiny based on the nature of the classification involved. For example, laws that impact fundamental rights or suspect classes undergo strict review to ensure fairness. The due process principles complement these protections by guaranteeing fair procedures before any individual is deprived of life, liberty, or property. This procedural fairness is vital for maintaining public trust in legal institutions. It protects individuals from biased treatment by the state and ensures that everyone is treated fairly. When cases of discrimination arise, these constitutional principles guide courts in their decisions. They requiring that government actions be justified by legitimate interests and consistently applied to all individuals in similar situations. This framework helps balance individual rights with governmental authority, reinforcing the rule of law. Moreover, these constitutional protections influence how legal claims are handled. For instance, in medical malpractice lawsuits, both plaintiffs and defendants must receive fair treatment without discrimination. The judicial system relies on these principles to uphold equal protection and due process rights throughout legal proceedings. Overall, constitutional principles shape the justice system by establishing legal standards that prohibit discriminatory treatment. They requiring fair and impartial application of the law, promoting equal treatment under the law for all individuals. As discussions about justice continue, understanding these principles remains essential for ensuring fairness in our legal system.